So to vote in Nigeria, you have to have your voter's card, and here's mine. I look so young because I did it back in 2018. No beards, and I was walking to my polling unit, which was a primary school, and the road was deserted. You can see from this edge to the other end of the road, it's deserted. No vehicles, because government say there should be no movement, only official cars. So I finally reached my polling unit, which was this primary school in my local area, and I saw a lot of people who are selling drinks and food to people who are hungry and thirsty, and people who have voted and are waiting for their friends or family, and people who haven't voted yet. And people were much. I was like, which time I go vote? Which time will I vote? So I recorded this video about 45 minutes after I joined the queue. And the queue was long, and this is not the only queue, because they divided it according to your surname. If your surname starts with A to J, you are going to be in this queue that I am right now, and if your surname starts from K to Z, you're going to be the other queue on the left hand side, that queue that is long. So I was happy my queue wasn't long and stuff like that. So we are the line. Then I don't know, one of the agents bought this local drink, we call it kunu here, and shared to all the people on the line. So I got the free kunu, and you can see other people's hand. You can see either zobo, coke, or anything. And me, I got kunu, a local drink, instead of me to get Pepsi. So these are the ballot boxes. My time to vote finally came, and these are the processes. You give this official your voter's card, and you can see my card is on her hand already, in her hand rather, and she found my name and ticked my name so that I won't come back the second time I vote, and brought my thumb to put a sign over there to give a mark so that I won't come again and vote. Sure, that's a good move. So the other official, she's going to check your number, your voter's identification number, VIN number, and take a capture, and you capture yourself so that you'll be like officially voted, and your vote will be registered online using the BiGAKANS machine. That's the BiGAKANS machine she's holding, the green one. And this official right here is going to give you the ballot papers so that you can cast your vote. And I collected my ballot papers, and I was like, thank you. And I went to the spot which I'm going to vote, and these are the ballot papers: the presidential, senatorial, and House of Representatives. So you thumbprint on the party you want to thumbprint on, and after voting you come to the ballot box and slot your ballot papers. The red one is presidential, the one in the middle is senatorial, and the green one is for the House of Representatives. So I did mine, and I was happy, and I'm just happy to vote. This is my second time voting. I voted 2019. At that time I was like 20 years old, 19 actually. After I voted, I saw people were much, and I was like, which time are you going to vote? Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.